Jason Chapman here with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Behind me we have the brand new 2022 Harris 230 Sunliner Sport. We did get this with the Performance Package Level 2, so it does have a third 25-inch diameter pontoon. We've got lighting here, black sapphire, and the black powder coat fence railing. Beautiful boat, big tower up top, gives it that sporty look from Harris. We do have an extended swim platform here, and then a 200 horsepower engine by Mercury. Let's go up inside and check out the interior of this boat. Welcome to the interior of this 230 Sunliner Sport. As you can see back here, we did get an extended swim platform. It does come with safety railings so that you can have passengers ride underway as you're cruising around the lakes. This does have a rear-facing lounger, so you can sit either facing forward, backwards, or it does turn into a full sun pad. We've got the pillow top, moonlight gray right here, and also the stone gray seagrass. Really beautiful boat. As we walk into the interior, big open space. We went with a high back, dual helm, captain and co-captain seating, with a couple of additional cup holders over here. Beautiful helm station. You have a 7-inch Simrad display. You've got the tilt steering. Got all your controls over here with your docking lights, nav lights, everything you need. And also a spot to charge your phone. This is digital throttle, very smooth controls up here in the helm. I've said this before in previous videos, but Harris does a really good job maximizing the space on their tri-tunes. We have in-floor storage. And up here in the bow, really nice seating. You've got a lot of storage underneath all the compartments. You've got cup holders on either side and spots to charge in your phone. This 230 Sunliner Sport does have interior lighting as well. So guys, come on down to Rogers and check out this 230 Sunliner Sport. Either make an appointment or walk in. Looking forward to see you.